Hi, thanks for joining me today to make chicken with black bean sauce and green peppers. Here I've got a black bean sauce. It's actually a paste and it's from Kum Kee, and some instant beef gravy granules, which are actually vegan. So if you do swap out the chicken for a vegan alternative, you can still make this dish. And here I've got premium dark soy sauce, which is lovely and thick and rich, and about 3 cloves of chopped garlic. So I'm just going to show you how to cook this very quick and easy dish. So here I've got just the chopped chicken and the green pepper, and I've fried that in some vegetable oil, or you can use sunflower oil. Just an oil without a strong taste. So you start off the chicken and then just add the peppers about halfway through the cooking time of the chicken, and here you can see it's now nice and cooked. So I'm going to add in the garlic, the chopped garlic. Now I like to have a strong garlic taste, so I won't cook this too far. I'll just stir it in before I start making the sauce, and that keeps a nice strong garlic taste, and it also prevents it from being burnt. So I'm just going to add in the soy sauce, probably about 1 tablespoon or just a little more, just pouring that in just by eye. You don't have to be too precise. You don't want to add too much though, or it will become quite salty, your dish. And now I'm just going to pour in some hot water. And again, this is done by eye. It's probably about a cup of water. And I'm just pouring that in to the chicken. And I'm going to add in the gravy granules. So these are instant beef gravy granules, and it's about 1 tablespoon. And just going to start stirring that in. So you can see how easy this is. It's all made in one pot or one frying pan. So it will just start to thicken. You just need to give it a wee minute for the heat to come through and start to thicken up your gravy. So you can see it's thickened up. And here I'm adding in the paste. Now this paste is extremely strong. I'm sure most of you who have tried to cook Chinese, I've tried this before and added too much. You only need about 1 heaped teaspoon, and that flavours your whole dish. It keeps in the fridge for quite a long time, so it's quite economical to use, but you get a lovely taste of the black bean sauce, and you stir it through, and that really is it. So you can see it really didn't take long to come together. It tastes very like the chicken with black bean sauce that you would get in a Scottish restaurant or takeaway, which may vary from Chinese dishes in China. So this is it served up with some chips and also some rice. You can serve it with anything you like, or you can serve it with noodles. So I hope you've really enjoyed that recipe and that you'll subscribe to hear about more recipes coming up. Thank you.